What if I told you crabs or fish don't rule that mangrove forests, but by hunters in the sky? From lightning-fast divers to silent stalkers, you'll never see mangroves the same way again. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe, so you won't miss more hidden wonders of nature. Look closely, and you might see a flush of blue cutting across the mangrove air. That's the kingfisher, a bird so dazzling. It looks like a jewel in motion. But don't let its beauty fool you. This bird is a ruthless hunter. It perches quietly above the water, watching, waiting. Then, without warning, it dives headfirst into the muddy river. In less than a second, a fish is caught in its dagger-like beak. Unlike most birds, kingfishers can see clearly underwater. Thanks to a special membrane that acts like built-in goggles. If kingfishers are assassins of speed, herons and egrets are masters of patience. They stand frozen in the shallows, statues in white or grey. Hours can pass with no movement at all. And then lightning strikes. A sharp beak pierces through the water, pulling up a wriggling fish or unlucky crab. Their hunting style is not about speed, but precision. Every step is calculated, every strike efficient. In mangroves, patience isn't weakness, it's survival. Not all birds of the mangrove are permanent residents. Some are just passing through. For thousands of years, storks and migratory birds have used mangrove forests as rest stops on their epic journeys across continents. Imagine flying from Siberia to Australia, thousands of kilometers without a break. The mangrove becomes their airport, offering food and shelter. Without mangroves, many migratory birds would never survive the trip. These forests are not just local treasures, but global lifelines. Every bird has a role in a mangrove. They keep fish populations balanced, spread seeds, and even act as indicators of ecosystem health. When birds thrive, the mangrove thrives. If this amazed you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, so more people can discover the hidden wonders of our planet's mangrove forests.